Hello. In this video, we are going to be discussing facility and event space booking. Here I'm going to show you how you can manage your event hall, meeting rooms, and resources for internal and external bookings. So all you have to do is navigate to Operation, then click on Facility Booking, and you'll be able to see the option to create your first facility. The first thing you will see on the form is the facility name. This can be the main event hall or any facility that you want to put out for booking. Then you're going to see the option to select a facility type. It can be a meeting room, conference room, classroom, or outdoor space. You can select from the options listed here or a multi-purpose facility. Then you also have the option to select the branch of your church that has this facility. You can also input the seated capacity of this facility, event center, or hall. Then you will have the option to put the standing capacity for the event. Next, you put the building, for example, the main building, then the floor. You also put the floor example. Then here you put the description of the facility, including amenities and features. You also have the option to add a small internal note for staff. After that, you navigate to the second section, which is the booking rule. You can set up the hours or time frame you want the booking to last. If it's from 1 hour to 24 hours, or from 1 hour to 48 hours, you can set that here. Then you also have the advanced booking days or buffer time in minutes. You can put the time that best matches your preference. Next, you can toggle the active facility option to show that this facility is available for booking. The site also has a section where you can showcase this booking facility, so you can enable this to display it on the booking page of the website. You can also enable required approvals, so that whenever someone makes a booking, you will approve it from the admin section. Then there is auto approval for internal bookings, which you can turn on if you want it running. The next section is the pricing type. Is it hourly? Is it half-day? If it is half-day, you can select that option. Then you set the member price, the price for non-members, the security deposit, and the cleaning deposit. After that, you can click on Create Facility. Once you create this facility and it is available on the booking page, if enabled, you will start receiving notifications on the platform whenever someone books a facility, event center, or event space from your church. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to contact live support if you need help or clarification on how to use this feature. Thank you for watching.